There's no global recession round the corner, says the IMF, but economic growth is set to slow and governments need to get their act together.
And the message is the following for policymakers. Address remaining vulnerabilities and be ready if a serious slowdown were to materialize.
The warning came in Davos, Switzerland, where business and political leaders are gathering for the World Economic Forum.
When they gathered here 12 months ago, there was a sense of relief, some optimism that the global economy finally seemed to be getting back on its feet. The mood has changed here now. And even the IMF admits that in this unpredictable global environment, their forecast may yet be thrown off again.
US President Donald Trump may have a hand in that. He cancelled his trip to Davos to focus on the government shutdown back home. If that drags on, the world's largest economy is bound to feel the effect. Another deal that's yet to be brokered, one to end Washington's trade war with China, whose government reported on Monday its slowest annual growth rate since 1990. And then there's that great unknown, Brexit. A disorderly withdrawal could provide another unwelcome economic shock. Britain's Prime Minister Theresa May stayed home too. For several Western leaders, in fact, this gathering of the global elite is not the place to be seen right now. Critics are vocal.
The people in Davos, the big company leaders and the political leaders, are part of the problem. They are the problem, and we want them to be the solution to ending extreme inequality, because it's out of control, it's widening, it's hurting our economy, slowing our economies, it's undermining democracy, it is trapping people in poverty. So I'm here to call for action.
Growing inequality will be part of the discussion here in the coming days too, even with more haves in the room than have-nots. Guy Henderson, CGTN, Davos.